Hello friends, here we will going to see how to create the paragraph and new line using shareLatex. Here in this section we will learn how to make paragraphs and new lines as well as how to make a paragraph alignments, text justification and paragraph indentation. Here I am already paste some lines and some text here. First of all, we will see how to create the paragraph, simple paragraphs. Just write the command begin curly brace center curly brace close and right slash end center. Compile, and this is the result. After entering this command begin center and end center, this is the result here. After that, if you want to make the paragraph simple paragraph, just give an single enter and again compile it. And this is the result. After giving the enter, here paragraph starts from a digital library. Or another way is to make a new paragraph, just write par, just write slash par, that's it, and then compile it. Same thing is happened if you give the one blank space or one enter, or otherwise gives slash par. Both things are the same to make the paragraph. After that, we will see how to make text justification or the text alignment or the paragraph alignment. In paragraph in latex are fully justified, that is flush with the left and right margins. If you would like to change the justification of paragraphs, it has three environment. First is center, second one is flush left, and third one is the flush right. Again, practical is slash begin. If you want to text alignment as left, left, flush left, and compile it. The result is here. After entering the command slash begin flush left and slash end flush left, this is the result. If you want to make right justify, then only change is here, flush right. After compiling, the result is in front of you. This is like this. Here we will see how to make the paragraph alignment as well as text justification. After that, we will see paragraph indentation. By default, LaTeX does not indent the first paragraph of a section. The size of the subsequent paragraph indent is determined by the parameter slash par indent. The practical is slash set length slash para sorry par indent, and here is the size in ex. Here you want to make the paragraph, then enter the par. Then compile it. The result is in front of you. If you not required the indentation, then no indent command will be right here. Here the set length command is for change the indent size of the paragraph, and here 10ex is the paragraph below. Set length slash para indent slash 10ex will be intended to ex, that is ex equal to the length of the x in the current font. If you want to create a non-indent para, the use command slash no indent at the beginning of the paragraph, like that. Then compile it. In this video, we are learn how to make paragraph and new lines and paragraph alignments, text justification, and paragraph indentation.